Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog food for Cairn Terriers that are available on the market for their true quality. This list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the CESAR Adult Wet Dog Food. CESAR Adult Wet Dog Food Classic Loaf and Sauce Steak Lovers Variety Pack is a culinary delight for canine companions, particularly appealing to the discerning palates of Cairn Terriers. With real meat reigning as the #1 ingredient, this variety pack ensures each serving is rich in flavor and high in protein, supporting your pet's energy needs and muscle maintenance. The thoughtful design of 3.5 ounces easy peel trays makes mealtime a breeze for pet owners. No more struggling with can openers or messy transfers. Simply peel off the seal and serve up a deliciously complete meal that's both nutritious and convenient. Crafted without grains and artificial flavors, this wet dog food aligns with many pet owner preferences for natural ingredients while still offering delectable taste. Something Cairn Terriers won't be able to resist. The inclusion of multiple steak-flavored meals within the pack guarantees variety, keeping dogs excited for their next gourmet experience. Furthermore, its made in the USA pedigree highlights a commitment to quality sourcing and manufacturing. Moving on at number 4, we have the Wellness Complete Health Small Breed Adult Dry Dog Food. Wellness Complete Health Small Breed Adult Dry Dog Food emerges as a standout choice for discerning dog owners seeking to provide their furry companions with optimal nutrition tailored specifically for smaller breeds. Crafted with real turkey and oatmeal, this protein-rich formula is not just palatable, but also packed with essential nutrients that cater to the unique needs of small dogs like Cairn Terriers, who thrive on diets dense in quality ingredients. Committed to canine well-being, Wellness ensures that each 12-pound bag is free from corn, wheat, soy, and artificial additives, focusing instead on non-GMO ingredients that bolster health without unnecessary fillers. The inclusion of omega fatty acids contributes to a shiny coat and healthy skin, while antioxidants and probiotics support a robust immune system and digestive health respectively. Notably produced in the USA within the brand's own state-of-the-art facility ensures stringent quality control. At number 3, we have the Nature's Recipe Dry Dog Food. Nature's Recipe Dry Dog Food, particularly the grain-free salmon, sweet potato, and pumpkin recipe, stands out in the crowded pet food market for its thoughtful ingredient selection and health-forward formula. As an expert reviewing this 24-pound bag of dry kibble, I'm impressed by its composition and benefits it extends to dogs. The real salmon as the first ingredient points towards a high-quality protein source that not only supports strong muscles, but also ensures a flavor that dogs find irresistible. The inclusion of fiber-rich sweet potato and pumpkin signifies a commitment to canine digestive health, an often overlooked aspect vital for your furry friend's overall well-being. These ingredients make it easier on their stomachs while boosting immune system functionality. Additionally, dog owners can appreciate the added vitamins and minerals which cater to maintaining adult dogs at peak condition. At number 2, we have the ZIWI Peak Air Dry Dog Food. Experience the pinnacle of canine nutrition with ZIWI Peak Air Dry Dog Food, meticulously crafted in New Zealand from the finest 100% free-range, grass-fed beef. Recognized for its ethical and sustainable sourcing, ZIWI ensures your furry companion indulges in a meal that's not only delicious, but conscientiously obtained. This grain-free powerhouse is tailored to support all life stages, from playful puppies to wise seniors, making it an exceptional choice for Cairn Terriers known for their boundless energy and spirited nature. Each bite of this air-dried delicacy boasts a remarkable 96% meat content combining muscle meat, organs, bone, and New Zealand green mussels. A fusion designed to reflect a whole prey diet that speaks to your pet's natural carnivorous instincts. The inclusion of superfoods such as cold-washed green tripe and organic kelp elevates the nutritional profile further by promoting healthy digestion alongside skin and coat vitality. And finally, at number 1, we have the Royal Canin Yorkshire Terrier Dog Food. Royal Canin Yorkshire Terrier puppy breed-specific dry dog food takes this responsibility seriously, offering a tailored diet that caters to the unique needs of your sprightly pup. The 2.5 pounds bag packs in vital ingredients such as high-quality proteins and prebiotics essential for digestive health, ensuring your little one processes their meals comfortably and maintains optimal stool quality. Notably, the food's specialized kibble design stands out. It's made just right for Yorkshire Terriers' small muzzles and level bites, which means no struggling at mealtime, instead allowing your playful pal an easy chewing experience. This brand seamlessly combines nutritional science with breed-specific care. Antioxidants like vitamin E bolster immune systems during those crucial developmental months, while omega fatty acids and biotin leave coats glossy and skin healthy. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.